Hello, candidates, and welcome to the Advanced Financial Management Learning session. The topic is mergers and acquisitions. In our today's lesson, we're going to discuss the regulatory framework for mergers and acquisitions. Regulatory framework for mergers and acquisitions. And in this lesson, we're going to highlight some of the regulatory bodies and legislation govern mergers and acquisitions in Kenya. And the regulatory framework for mergers and acquisitions in Kenya is designed to ensure fair competition and also to protect the interests of various stakeholders where companies choose to merge or when a company decides to acquire another one. That decision is likely to affect many stakeholders like the employees, the management, the shareholders, the investors, the members of the public, and so on. And therefore, it's important that these transactions are regulated. That's why we have regulatory bodies in Kenya that help in ensuring that the interests of the various stakeholders are protected. So the first regulatory body is the Competition Authority of Kenya. One, Competition Authority of Kenya. The Competition Authority of Kenya is the primary regulatory body that is responsible for overseeing mergers and acquisition activities in Kenya. And the mandate of the CAK is derived from the Competition Act. It is derived from the Competition Act. This is an act of parliament that stipulates that there ought to be a Competition Authority of Kenya, which has been put in place since the year 2010. It is the principal legislation governing mergers and acquisitions, right? The Competition Authority of Kenya. It is the principal governing body. And the role of the Competition Authority of Kenya is to prevent anti-competitive practices that may arise from mergers and acquisitions. Do you understand? That is the primary role of the CAK. Is to do what? Is to prevent anti-competitive practices that may arise during these transactions, the mergers and acquisition.